Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle Doodle. So I am currently obsessed with painting on newspaper and doodling on newspaper. You can definitely go to my Instagram and follow me there to see that how I recreate things on newspaper. I find it's the best possible way to recycle paper and you can have beautiful art pieces at your home. You don't need much. I can't speak.
Have you ever had a dreams that that you had you could you do you want you could do so you do you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
You don't need much material for this kind of artwork. Anyway, in this video, I decided I am going to show you two ways of how you can doodle or draw something on newspaper. So this vibe that I'm going for in today's video is very bohemian. It looks very old school, very I don't know. I just love this artwork. I can create a number of artworks of this kind. So the first artwork, we are going to create a mandala, and this looks very vintage. And in the second artwork, we are going to be creating dandelions. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but I have done a video of doodling dandelions on my channel and you people liked it a lot, so I thought it looks very chic, very nice. So I let's get started onto the video. So I ordered this frame from Amazon. It is in the size A5. Any frame would work, depends on your choice. Now, next thing that you will need are chart paper cutouts and newspaper cutouts in the size of 5 by 5 inches, and we are going to paste this newspaper on chart paper because newspaper is really thin, and to make the artwork, to make it thin, we are going to do that. Now I am going to be using here Fevistick to paste the newspaper on the chart paper. Now I have taken one piece which I have pasted and found the center of that piece of paper and with the help of compass I am going to draw random circles. Now I'm using a Sharpie because I wanted the artwork to pop since it is already written on the newspaper. We need something thick which makes our artwork noticeable. Here I am winging it. I am just drawing the mandala without stencil. But I have done a whole series on how to draw mandala for beginners and you can watch that. I will link it above in the cards. Next, I am using staedtler metallic marker in golden shade to give artwork some color. This metallic marker isn't glittery gold, it gives you a very matte gold finish. I'll definitely link everything in the description box below. If you want to buy anything, you can buy it from Amazon. This is how this artwork turned out to be. Moving on to the second artwork. Firstly, I've taken a pencil and I am outlining where I want my dandelion to be. Then I am just marking the area coverage that I will be doing. Then I have again taken a Sharpie, making it pop on the newspaper. Now I have already done a video on my channel on the topic of ways to doodle different dandelions. I'll link it above, you can watch that. Now here I am adding details to the dandelion because I wanted to give the dandelion a very scribbling effect to make it pop out of the newspaper. Please guys, do comment down below like what kind of videos or content you would like to watch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Till then, take care everyone.